Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I wanted to share with you really quick what this scrunchie deal looks like. I've been sharing these on the blog. This is a humongous package of scrunchies. As you can see, these are the velvet ones for under $10 shipped. And I'm just going to dump all these out so you can see what that looks like. It's an insanely good deal. Crazy amount of scrunchies. Every color possible. They seem to be really well made, very clean, no smell to these at all. We are super impressed. This would be a great tween teen gift idea. Fun for filling advent calendars or friend gifts for the holidays. Anyway, super impressed. I will include links as to where you can find these. They do have some different styles. These are the velvet ones, but again, just seem to be really well made, and my daughter's been really pleased with these, so I wanted to share them with you. All the scrunchies you could ever want right there. I'll include links as to where you can grab them too.